Hello class 2, welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 1. In offline classes we have already completed till exercise number 1.5. The last class which we have discussed was abacus. We have learned how to read the number in abacus representation and how to write the numbers also. Okay. And today we are going to learn place value. What is place value? Our topic for today is place value. Okay. So you can see any number when we write, it has got some digit. Okay. So when we write any number in one digit, then what is the place value of it? It is in the ones place. When we write any number in two digits, then what are the place values? Ones and tens. If we write any number in three digits, then what are the place values? Ones, tens and hundreds. So what do we understand by place value? Place value is the position of each digit in a number. Okay. For example, say 27. Now when we write number 27, how many digits it has? It has two digits, 2 and 7. Now when we write 27, then what are the place value? Whether 2 is in ones place or 7 is in ones place. Whether 7 is in tens place or it is in ones place. How do we understand this? So, in order to understand the place value or the position of each digit in a number, we learn the place value. Okay. So you can see here and on the board I have already written what is place value. Place value means it is the position of, well, I have missed out of here, of each digit in a given number. Okay. So for example, you can see here, this is 27. Now what is the place value of 7? The place value of 7 is ones. This is ones. So the place value of 7 is 7 ones. Okay. So 7 is in ones place. What is the place value of 2? 2 is in tens place. So when we write the place value of individual digit in a number, we write in this way. It is like, no, we can write in the word form also and we can write in the numeral form also. Suppose you have been asked to write the place value of 7. What is the place value of 7? It is 7 or 7 ones. Anything you can write. What is the place value of 2? It is 2 tens or 20. Okay. Let us take some more example to understand the place value. Say for example, I'll take few example from your book itself. I am writing, say for example, I am writing a 3-digit number. Okay. And we will try to find out the place value of this is 3-digit number. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. Now what are the place values of individual digit? Say for example 9. What is the place value of 9? Place value of 9 is 9 ones. Okay. What is the place value of 4? It is 4 tens. Place value of 3? It is 3 hundreds. Okay. Like that we learn the place value. In your book, I think you have see exercise number 1.6. I'll do 1 or 2 questions from 1.6. It is written. Write the place value of given digit. Write the place value, PV, I am writing in short, place value of given digit. Okay, so how shall we write? The first one, A. The question is 3, 6, 5. So what is the place value of 5? It is in ones place. Okay, so we will write 5. What is the place value of 6? It's in tens place. So we will write 60 or 6 tens also we can write. And third one, it is in hundreds place. Okay, it is in hundreds place. So we will write 300 like that. Okay, so you have to write in this way. You can write in words also, you can write in numbers also. Better to write in numbers. Okay, so you will be doing this exercise 1.6 question number 1. Now in question number 2, you have one more added thing, that is face value. Let us try to understand what is face value. Now see what happens when you see yourself in the mirror. Whom do you get to see? When you see yourself in the mirror, whom do you get to see? You see yourself. Okay, so face value is also the same thing. What is face value? Face value of any digit is the digit itself. So we can write here face value. Face value of a digit in a number, in a given number, is the digit itself. What is the meaning of this? Say for example, say I have taken a number 97. Okay. What is the face value of 7? The underlined one. The face value of 7 is 7 only. Okay. The face value of 7 is 7. Say for example, one more number I will take. Say 457. What is the face value of 5 here? The face value of 5 is 5. Okay, so you can write your face value. Face value of 7 is 7 and face value of 5 in this number is 5. What does it mean? It means face value is the digit itself. Okay, when we see 5, we will say 5 only. We will not say anything else. And when we see 6, we will say 6. When we will see 1, we will say 1. Okay. So similarly, you can see here on page number 25, exercise number 1.6, you have exercise related to place value and face value. Look here, in question number 2, the first one is done for you. I will be doing the second one. Okay. Now what you have to do, children, when I am writing the definition of anything, when I am explaining you with examples something, you must copy this in your classwork copy. Okay. So that's your classwork. So you will copy this in classwork. Now I will be explaining you with example about this concept. You can see here on page number 25. See page number 25, exercise number 1.6. In 1.6, what do we do? Question number 2, you have to write the place value and the face value. See, the digits are given here. You have to write place value and face value. Say for example, number done, I will be writing number B. 491. Now 1 is underlined. So we have to say the or tell the place value and face value of 1. So what is the place value of 1? We know it is in 1's place. So we will write only 1. Okay? And what is the face value? Face value will be 1 only. Like for example number C. In number C the question is 704 and 7 is underlined. What is the place value of this? Ones, tens, 100. So the place value is 700 and what is the face value? The number digit itself 7. Okay. Likewise you will complete page number 25 in the book only. But you must copy all the classwork which I give you on the board. Okay. Now coming to the next concept, that is greatest number and smallest number. How do we understand which number is greater and which one is smaller? See, this is very easy. I think in class 1 also you have learned how to compare numbers, 2-digit number, isn't it? So here also we will try to understand. Greatest number and smallest number. So next topic is greatest number and smallest number. Say for example there is a number. Okay, there are two numbers given and we are going to compare the numbers. See, for example, we have a number like say 534 and another number say 745. These are the two numbers. Let us first write the place value of these two numbers. So because both the numbers are 3-digit number, so we will write their place value. They both have ones, tens and 100 place. Here also we will write. Okay. Now how you will compare the number? First and the foremost thing, to compare a number, we must count the number of digits given in the number. See here, this number, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3. Now, both are having equal number of digits. How to compare now? We will see after knowing the number of digits, then we will compare from their highest place value. In the both the number, the highest place value is 100. Okay. So you see here in this number it is having 5 and here it is having 7. Now which one is greater? 5 is greater or 7 is greater? Of course 7 is greater. So we can say, therefore we can say 534 and 745. Out of this two number, 745 is greater than 534. That means 534 is small and 745 is greater. Why? Because 7 is bigger than 5. In this way, we learn to compare the numbers. Okay? And this is how we can also find out the greatest number and the smallest number in a given set of numbers. Like for example, say, let us take one example from your book itself. Well, okay, I am taking two numbers, 361 241. Both are having 3-digit number. Okay, one's tens, 100, one's tens, 100. Both are having 3-digit number. How will you compare which one is greater and which is smaller? So we will see the highest place value. Okay, in this it is having 3 and in this number it is having 2. So which one is bigger? 3 is greater than 2. So we can say therefore 361 is greater than 241. What if both these two numbers are same? What will happen then? Say for example, this is one example. Now if both hundreds place are having same digit, like for example say this is also 3. What will happen in this case? See here, this one, like in 100 place, both are having equal number. Both are having the same number in the 100 place. Then what we do? Then we move to the tens place. So in this we have 6 and here we have 4. Which is greater? 6 is greater. Therefore we can say 361 is bigger than 341. So likewise we keep on comparing the place values. Okay, in your class you will be learning up to 3-digit number. Okay, 3-digit number means 4-digit number is introduced, 1000 is introduced. I think in mental maths you are doing 1000 like 4-digit numbers, but basically we will be dealing with 3-digit numbers. Okay, so likewise what you can do is you can do exercise 1.7, okay, and 1.8. Ascending and descending order you will not do. From 1.8 you will only do question number 1. Okay, so from 1.8 you do only question number 1. I will send you the homework what you have to do, right? So I hope you have understood the comparison of numbers and the concept of place value and face value, right? Please do practice this at home, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.